Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about what happens when mortgage rates increase and home prices adjust and slightly decrease. We're going to see what happens with your mortgage payments when this comes to fruition, which is currently happening right now. Rates have just increased to 3.5%. So we're looking at real-time rates, we're looking at real-time home prices and values, and we're going to take a look at what happens with a $400,000 priced home and a $700,000 priced home. So stay tuned for that. I hope you get something out of this. Thank you.
Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I'll try to make this one as short and sweet as possible. Today we're going to discuss what happens when interest rates rise and home prices drop. So there's a direct correlation. If you look at the market for any years past, you will see that as interest rates rise, home prices tend to fall. And over this past weekend, the Fed, what they did, increased the mortgage rates to 3.5%. Actually increased just a little bit more since then, but we're going to use, in this example, 3.5%, and we'll go step by step to see what happens with your mortgage monthly payment to determine if this at all makes sense for you buyers to move. Okay, so let's just get right into it. Average home value or home price in the area is $400,000. We're going to use a 10% down payment in this example, and this will give you a 3.5%. We're going to use a 3.5% interest rate because that's where we are at right now. In this example, we are at $1,945 for a monthly payment. Now, as interest rates rise, property prices reduce. So we're going to drop in $10,000 increments as we increase 0.5% in interest. So next we'll have, we'll try 390, right? And this is bank rate, by the way. Bank rate mortgage calculator is fantastic. You get this really nice visual. We're using all the same percentages here. It's just a really good tool to analyze what happens when one thing happens and what the outcome will be. And obviously this is all for you buyers out there, and honestly even sellers. So if you sell and you have some money to work with, you know what you're getting into, especially with so this is actually a benefit to you sellers that need to buy directly after. So at any rate, here we go. At 390, we'll keep the down payment at 10%, 30-year loan. We're going to go up to 4%. And what happens? Okay, 1998. That was a great year. However, we went from 1945 to 1998. So we have an increase of about $50. What happens if we continue? 380 home purchase price. Keep this 10%. Go down to 4.5. So this is a 1% increase. $2,048. That is just over $100 difference. $103 increase per 1%. Interesting metric. Okay, so we'll go a step further. 370, 10%. Bring this up to 5%. Excuse me, 555. Thank you. All right, so 370, 10%, 30-year, 5%. We are at $2,097. Okay, that's a percentage and a half. We started at 1,945, so about $150 difference, give or take. Now, for every 0.5%, you're looking at $50. That's another really great metric. One step further, $360,000 home price, 10% down payment, 30-year loan, 5.5%, $2,142. So that's a significant increase of almost 2% and $200. So you see the correlation there. Every 0.5% is about $50 increase in this price range. What happens at a different price point? Okay, well, let's try 700,000. Would be a pretty nice home, even in this seller's market. All right, 10%, 30-year. We'll go back down to the 3.5% that we're at right now. Your monthly payment is $3,300. Your monthly payment is $3,355, as you see right here. What happens when the interest rate goes to 4.5%? We'll do the 1% rule here. Okay. Now, we were per 0.5%. In the other example, we were reducing the home price by $10,000. This is a 1%. So we're actually going to double that decrease because of this price point. So we're looking at a $40,000 drop, $660,000 for a 1% increase, which is pretty fair. Okay, we got to do this right here. 10%. That's right. $3,510. So for a 1% change in this price point, at this price point, you're looking at about $155 difference instead of $100 difference in a $400,000 price point. So I hope this answers some of your questions. If you have any more, don't hesitate. Give me a call, 508-821-8835. We're here to help. If you have any questions, we'll find the answers for you so you can make the best decision for you and your family and your future. I hope you got something out of this. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you in the next one.